Hello, IK here. Momentary, but not momentary. Last days, I work on design concretely banner. Here is a banner. Uh, this is, I in job waiting list is welcome to store. It is banner for homepage. When I click department, I have a banner. You see, banner for department. And when I click category, I would have a banner for category. Now look at in banner for department. This images is created by ChatGPT, and it is for free in options where I can use that service from ChatGPT. And look at how it is excellent images. It is not a graphic, it is, but it is excellent images, real images. Uh, uh, Home and kitchen. It is example how we can only for faster go on, but after some trying faster go on is with the images also. Uh, it is toys, uh, sport, toys, books, toys and games. And here it is, look at, it is excellent photography, very fast produce it. You don't need waiting longer. Automotive, look at, that's key, that something absolutely, it is excellent image. Grocery, look at, and furniture. Uh, this project, I work, I also experiment what I can create with artificial intelligence. I said artificial, not chat GPT, because I use other uh, artificial, like deep, for all others. And look at how it is image. Of course, it is now experiment, test. Here in that banner must coming promotional product in the future, but must have a place. And that promotional product and this background and creation of background of banner who would be background, it will be very interesting. And but here it is interesting that this, of course, departments list coming from database, and we created what we want in our e-commerce, and we write, here is electronics, one word, here is the clothing and apparel, two words, here is a home and kitchen, sports and outdoors, etc. And what come in here, and what I click, it would be a banner would be of that. Uh, and here it is code for it. Here is a, at first decided where to put that it is decorative, decorative graphic, decorative images, and where put it. And I consult ChatGPT, and here it is. In public, I created this part of assets folder, e-retail public catalog. And in the catalog, put images that images would produce. artificial intelligence on my based on my prompt. And my prompt, I must say, was very simple. I put dimension and ask simple as possible, simple and faster for build. And for 1 minute, I have every of these 1 minute for every of these images. And look at how we must name it all small case, but if it is not, you will see we have we produce that it would be small. No, it here it is small, um, and look at the dash banner dot png. Every has dash banner dot png, dash banner dot png. It can be in other format, and look at for clothing and apparel. Clothing dash dash apparel dash banner dot png. That where is the end exist? We clear end, and from both sides of end we have empty space, and it is dash dash. There is no space in the names, and it is like it. And the code who accept names of that that kind of names is here app.js. I look at only what is about here it is get banner file name. It is a generic generic function what create from anything from parameter create what would be parameter. In our case, parameter would be department name. And all go to lowercase. Because JavaScript is case sensitive, and it is first thing what we must do. To lowercase, and that all in lowercase replace look at replaced all this sign with the dash, and again replace all this with empty, and the result of this is names of what we give our what must be in this in that folder, and we now know where is end must be dash dash between that two word, and every of them there is a banner behind, and here is the declaration of department, the banner name equal department if exists, if department exists, department would be this department name, would be parameter, parameter of get banner file name. That function would create lowercase, etc. In contrary, would be null, nothing. And here is a banner path equal department banner name if exists, if department banner name exists, path would be this. Path would be this department banner name dash banner dot png, and here is always same extension png. because this is hard coding, it is not by some variable, but hard coding, and here is only banner dash banner. Here is a name from our folder, what we see coming from folder. Bannernet, folk back banner, if we have not banner, but it is not interesting for us now. Okay, all others not interesting. Here is where is department? Here is our solution. When department page is department page and the department exists, it is positive. If it exists, it is one and one, and we will have this div, and inside that image, and end of the, and here is the end of that banner. Okay, now look at in AS app.js, app.js, app.js. Now look at app.css. CSS header, here is the department banner. Box size, background, background color, color, and background color, and box shadow, etc. It is department banner, but inside of this we have an image. Here is interesting cover here. It means image would not be stretched. Would not be stretched. Of course, width 30% now. It can be what we want. 80% inside div of that. Inside of div. Look at books, electronics. You have images is not stretch. Automotive, grocery. Okay, it's all for this video. If you know somebody that need video like this, inform them of that. With our auditorium growing, also our knowledge, all of us, would be growing. Comment, subscribe, engaged, would be engaged. Thank you for watching this video.